Welcome! In today's video, we're going to show you how to export your information from Gmail on your Android device. This updated process is simple and quick, so let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, tap your profile picture at the top left corner. This will lead you to your account options. Next, look for the option that says Manage your Google account and tap on it. This takes you to the settings where you can manage your data and privacy. Now, select Data and Privacy from the menu. Here, you'll find various options regarding your data. Scroll down until you see Download your data. Tap on this option to proceed. This is where you can initiate the download of your Gmail information. Finally, scroll down again and tap on Next Step. Follow the prompts to complete the options and get your data. And that's it. You've successfully requested to download your information from Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.